Hi everybody, welcome to JCamps in the house. My name is Miss Annie and today I'm going to teach you how to make my all-time favorite camps craft, the lanyard. Today I'm going to show you how to make a box stitch and a spiral box stitch. So what you need to start out is two different lanyard colors. I chose dark blue and light blue. I usually like to make the string the length of one of my arms and then I cut it. To start your lanyard, you're going to take your string and you're going to fold it like this so it's in half. And then you're going to take this part and you're going to put one color over the other like this to create an X. And then you're going to loop over your thumb like this. You're going to put one side over and then one side over. And then you're going to take the second string and you're going to go over, under, and pull all the way through. And then take the other string and go over, under, and pull all the way through. You're going to make sure the string is not twisty. And then you're going to pull tight. And pull tight until you see this. And then it's a little hard to keep going from here, so you're going to do this again. You're going to go over, and then over, and then you're going to go over, under, over, under, then you're going to pull tight again until it looks like this. To keep going with the lanyard, you're going to keep doing over and under. So you're going to flip the strings over like this so they match the color. So like this. And then you're going to take these strings and go over, under, and over, under. And then sometimes the string gets turned around, so you have to fix it. And then you're going to pull tight like this. And you're going to keep doing that until you get your lanyard to be this long or even longer. Now I'm going to show you how to make a spiral lanyard like this. You do the first couple of stitches just like a normal lanyard, but then you do something different. So when you go to stitch it, you, instead of doing like this and go over it, you go to the side, like this. And then it's the same over, under, flip the lanyard string that turned around, and then over, under, and flip it over because it gets twisty, and pull, and then it's spiraled. Now that I taught you how to make a couple of lanyards, I hope you have just as much fun making them as I did.